Today we're gonna make crusted lamb chops with a green tahini sauce. Look at these. To get started on making our lamb chops, we have first a rack of lamb. We've cut them individual, so I have 8 lamb chops here. So we're gonna make our rub. We have 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of coriander, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a half a teaspoon of turmeric. We're gonna take this, rub, look at that, mix it together. And then we're gonna take our lamb chops. I'm gonna lay them down here. We're gonna put the rub on both sides of the lamb chops before we sear them. Flip them to the other side. And this rub is gonna give it a nice crust when we sear them. Perfect. Now we're gonna take these to the stove and sear them. I have high heat. I'm gonna put some olive oil. Let this get nice and hot. We're gonna sear the lamb chops. So we've done a couple minutes. Look at this nice char. That's exactly what you're looking for. So once you have that, you're gonna flip them. We're gonna char the other side. You want that nice, beautiful crust. Look at that, couple minutes, and look at that beautiful, nice crust. So we'll take them off. So now that our lamb chops are ready, we're gonna make our green tahini sauce. So we're gonna do 2 cloves of garlic. I'm just gonna cut these. We're gonna add this right here because we're gonna blend it all together. We're gonna do tahini. So make sure that you mix your tahini well so it's not like very cementy at the bottom. You gotta mix it first. So we're gonna do 3 tablespoons. All of that off. Okay, perfect. Now we need lemon juice. So you need about 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. A whole lemon works as well. Squeeze that in there. We need salt and pepper, about a quarter teaspoon of salt and pepper. And parsley. So we're gonna need about a 1/4 cup of parsley. Just gonna cut this, eyeball it here. We're gonna use a hand blender to mix this. Now, to mix this, you need to add water. So you're gonna add a little bit of water first, and then we'll just add more as we go to see how much we need. A little bit more water. Look at this green sauce, beautiful. Now we're gonna plate it. Take our green sauce, drop our lamb chops. Take some more sauce, drizzle it right on top. This looks delicious. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com, and don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and check out my Amazon store for some of my favorite products.